We're going to learn a super fun letter. The letter A. This is big A. And this is little a.
Let's look around the forest and find things that start with the letter A.
Let's see what we found. A is for apple.
Healthy and sweet. A is for acorn.
Squirrels love to snack on these. A is for ant.
Look at it go! So remember, A is for apple,
A is for acorn.
and A is for ant. A.
That's all for today. See you next time. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.